Hello everyone, welcome back to the Basics of Accounting with ACCU360 ERP series. In today's video, we will learn the basic configuration of item text template. There might be a question that may arise in your mind that why we need to configure item text template. We have already configured purchase text template and sales text template. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose you are a dealer of electronics and a customer, Mr. A, purchased four goods from you: a solar lamp, which is under 5% tax category, mobile phone, which comes under 12% tax category, microphones, which comes under 18% tax category, and washing machine, which comes under 28% tax category. And you have to give him only one invoice for all of these four items. So, how are you going to do that? The answer is very simple. You just have to change the different tax on different items, and then you can manage to do this in your invoice. Now let's start setting the item tax template. So to set up the item tax template, we need to first navigate to accounting module. Then we will click on taxes, then finally on item tax template. First, we will create one with 5% IGST category for sales. As we are using different ledgers for both sales and purchase, we have to configure both of them separately. You may always note that creating separate ledgers for sales and purchase always gives an edge in easy administration and tax compliance. You can also create one ledger for both of them, but it is always advisable to consult with a practitioner who is working in the field of implementation of ERP, or you can always consult with an ACCU360 ERP consultant. Now give the title IGST 5%. Click on Is Interstate, as IGST is always charged on the interstate transactions only. As we are configuring it for sales, select Sales option here. Then define tax ledger and click on plus button to add. Oh, we already have a line, so here we will write define the ledger, which is IGST here, and in the tax rate we will mention the rate, which is 5%. Then we will click on this right tick to save. Second, we will create an item text template with 5% IGST category, but this time it will be for purchase. So let's just go back. Now click on the plus icon. This time we will name it as IGST input 5%. Because we cannot use same name for multiple tax template, as it may involve a lot of confusion while passing the entries, and also the system will not allow to create this item text template. Like we can see that it has shown a prompt that IGST 5% already exists, therefore we have to create with another name. Okay, now as it is an interstate, we have to click on is interstate, and as it is for purchase, we will click on the purchase. Now here we will define the ledger IGST input. Here we can see that IGST input is not showing. Now we have to recall the account determination concept which we understand in the account determination video. Here we can see that the filter applied is tax, chargeable, income account or expense account. Okay, but we remember that we have created IGST input in the asset side. So let's just go to chart of accounts and see why it's not showing here. Here click expand all and just go to CGST input. Let's just click on IGST input first and then click on edit button to see the ledger. Here we can see that the account type is not selected. Since the account type is not selected, here the system is not able to recognize this account as a tax account. So we will select the tax from here and we will just create or click on this right tick to save, and let's just click on this chart of account to see the chart of account again. Now let's do the same process for CGST input and SGST input also. Now as we change the setting, we should reload the server to clear all the previous cache data. Now let's go to item text template and see whether it is still showing IGST input or not. We will again click accounting. Then we will click on taxes. Then we will click on item text template. And we will again click add. Here we will name it again, which is IGST input 5%, and then we will click is interstate, then purchase, and here we will define the account which is IGST input. So here you can see it's now showing the IGST input account. Add the tax rate here which is 5% and click on this right tick to save. Now third we will create 5% C and SGST for sales. But again and again going back and creating new template is very overwhelming, right? So now we will use a shortcut. Click on these three lines here in the corner and select duplicate. It has just duplicated that template. Now we just have to add the title CSGST, which is 5%. Now we will select it for sales. As it's not interstate, we will just uncheck this, and here we will define the account which is CGST. Then we will define the rate which is 2.5 and click on this plus button to define SGST. Here we select SGST and in the rate we will add 2.5%, and click on this right tick to save. So our CSGST has also created. Likewise, we create all the tax templates now. Now, as all the ledgers have been created, click here to go back. Here, let's just take a quick glimpse that all the accounts we have created are correct or not. Here we can see in the CGST we have mistakenly selected is interstate option. Let's just close them. Click on the right tick to save. Go back and here again. And okay, now all the remaining accounts are correct. So this is how our list of item tax template would appear after configuring all the taxes. Now just click here to go to home. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned with our Basics of Accounting with ACCU360 ERP series to learn more about the basic setup of your ACCU360 ERP to improve the efficiency of your organization. Thanks a lot for watching.